Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer 7th inning stretch and yours YD01. I'm going to get started with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is actually a Braves Diva polish 7th inning stretch, but now it's known as Bases Loaded Lacquer, so sorry for the confusion. It's a very, very pale lilac. At least that's what it looks like to me. There we go. The first coat's beautiful. We're going to do a second coat. Get this to become completely opaque. 2 coats is going to do it for me on these shorties today. Again, we're still running with the series short nails. We're going to use the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get this one to dry down, seal it all up nice and glossy. There it goes, so pretty. Looks pretty just like that. But you guys know I'm not going to leave it alone. There's a photo of 7th inning stretch. And this is yours, and I can't read the name of it. So it's a YD01. I've got a bunch of stampers out today and my Maniology scraper. I'll be using Maniology's Unicorn Horn as my stamping polish, as well as an Old Bundle Monster number 10. It's the dark purple that I love. It's kind of like a favorite of mine, and of course it's not made anymore. Or if it is, I don't know where you would find it. So I'm going to use these little flowers today. I've just been in kind of a flowery mood, but I am going to be doing some reverse stamping, advanced stamping. I'm going to be filling these in, these pretty little flowers, and I'm trying to get up as much excess as I can so that I don't have that in my design when I go to put it on my nails. And these little star looking flowers look cute, so we're going to grab them too. And y'all will have to pardon the sinusy sounding me because my sinuses are just jacked. There we go. We got a bunch of them stamped out, and I'm going to pull something out of the middle of this here. It's going to be a little trickier cleaning it up, but that's okay. I got skills. I can do it. I've decided no, I'm not. I'm going to leave it alone and let that be my accent nail. It was so pretty on the stamper. I don't want to waste that. I am cleaning that plate off with pure acetone and then wiping it down with a paper towel. And here we go, filling it in. So I did stamp with the old Maniology number 10 purple, and now I'm using Unicorn Horn to fill in the design. I figured with one being kind of like a jelly, almost a, I know it's kind of crazy to say it, but like an opaque jelly, and then using the metallic to fill in, maybe that would be good. I need to turn that light off because it was blaring. I'm just going in with my little, and this is my Maniology brush that I've been using. I really do like this brush for this technique. It works really good for me, much better than the dotting tool that I was using. But you know, it's not. I'm not saying that it would be everybody's favorite. We all prefer different things, so you know, we'll just let it ride and let it see. Flip it over, get a good look at it, see what it looks like, and fill in wherever you need to. I am going to use this super dry. I get this from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use it kind of like as my sticky base coat. Super duper thin layer of it, almost a dry brush. And it just makes it tacky so that my decals will stick really well. I did let them completely dry before I did this step. I didn't want to be smushing and having stuff squirting out the sides of my little stickers. But I really ended up liking how this turned out. Oh, there we go. Straightened up. I was hoping it would stay that way and not keep being blurry. It would autofocus. So here we go with the accent nail. Alrighty, line it up and smush it on. There it is. Very pretty. Turned out really nice. Get some of these little flyaways off. Just gonna grab a piece of tape real quick. Grab those up. Very easy to do that. Awesome. And then we're gonna go in and do our last one. And that fit on there pretty well. Alright, we're going to top this one with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Gonna seal this in with some Sèche Vite for today. And we're going to call this one done. So I really do hope you like this one. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it down below. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.